Have you ever looked closely in the mirror and noticed those tiny dark specks scattered across your nose, or small white bumps hiding just beneath the surface of your skin? If your pores feel clogged, your skin feels rough to the touch, or you just can't stop thinking about that oily shine sitting on your cheeks and forehead by midday, this session is exactly what you need. Welcome back to another slow, relaxing skincare session. Today we're focusing on something so many of us deal with quietly: blackheads, whiteheads, and the kind of clogged pores that make your skin feel heavier than it should. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this congestion happens, and you'll get to watch, step by step, as the skin transforms from congested and oily to calm, clean, and refreshed. Let's take a closer look first. As the camera moves in, you can see it clearly. Along the sides of the nose, tiny dark blackheads sit clustered together, almost like little dots pressed into the skin. Around the chin, a few whiteheads are visible just beneath the surface, slightly raised, waiting to be gently released. The cheeks carry a subtle shine, a sign of excess oil sitting on top of skin that hasn't been deeply cleansed in a while. If you look even closer, you can see the texture isn't smooth. Small bumps, slightly enlarged pores, and areas that feel congested rather than clear. This is such a common concern, especially for those with oily or acne-prone skin. When oil, dead skin cells, and impurities build up inside the pore, it creates that dark, congested look we call a blackhead. When the same buildup gets trapped just under a thin layer of skin, it forms a whitehead instead. Neither of these is something to feel self-conscious about. It's simply skin doing what skin does, especially in humid weather or after long days of makeup, pollution, and sweat. But with the right gentle care, this kind of congestion can be softened, cleared, and calmed. So let's begin this deep pore cleansing routine, slowly and gently, step by step. The first step is always an oil cleanser. Oil dissolves oil, which makes this step essential before we even think about touching a single blackhead. A generous amount of lightweight cleansing oil is warmed between the palms, then smoothed carefully across the entire face. Watch as the fingertips move in slow, soft circles, first along the forehead, then gliding down across the cheeks, and finally massaging gently around the chin and nose, right where the congestion is heaviest. You can almost hear how soft the texture is. Gentle cleansing sound, the oil glides effortlessly, lifting the layer of makeup, sunscreen, and built-up sebum from the surface of the skin without any tugging or pulling. This step is never rushed. Slow circular massage movements help relax facial muscles while the oil works to loosen everything, sitting on top of the pores. After a full minute of slow massage, it's time to rinse. Warm water washes away the oil, revealing skin that already looks a little brighter, a little less shiny, but still holding on to that deeper congestion we'll be working on next. Now comes the foam cleanser step, the second half of the double cleansing method that's become the foundation of every proper Korean skincare routine. A gentle, low pH foam cleanser is pressed into the palms until it turns into a soft, pillowy lather. This lather is applied across the face using slow, upward strokes, focusing extra attention around the nose and chin. Notice how gentle the pressure is. There's no scrubbing, no harsh rubbing, just soft, mindful cleansing that respects the skin barrier while still removing any remaining impurities. This second cleanse ensures the pores are completely free of surface-level residue, preparing the skin perfectly for the deep pore cleansing process ahead. Once rinsed and gently patted dry with a soft towel, you can already see a noticeable difference. The oily shine has softened, the skin looks calmer, a little more matte, a little more even. But we're just getting started. Before extraction, the skin needs to be properly prepared. This is where warm steam comes in. A warm towel, freshly soaked and wrung out, is pressed gently against the face for a few slow, quiet moments. You can almost feel the warmth radiating through the screen, soft steam rising, gently loosening the walls around each clogged pore, making the skin softer, more pliable, and far more comfortable for the next step. This step is never skipped, because skin that hasn't been softened with steam is far more sensitive to any kind of pressure. Patience here is what makes the entire process feel calming rather than uncomfortable. After a few minutes, the towel is lifted away, and the skin underneath looks slightly flushed, warm, and completely relaxed. Exactly the state we want it in before beginning deep pore cleansing. Stay until the final close-up, because the texture change becomes much more noticeable near the end. Now, with the skin fully prepped, a gentle pore cleansing tool or a soft sanitized cotton-wrapped applicator is used to begin the extraction process. This part is done with extreme care, extreme patience, and very gentle, even pressure. Around the nose, tiny blackheads begin to lift from the pore, one by one, as slow controlled pressure is applied along the sides. There is no rushing here. Every movement is slow, deliberate, and calm, because the goal isn't to force anything out. It's to gently guide out what's already loosened and ready to be released. As each blackhead lifts away, the pore beneath it looks visibly clearer, smaller, and less congested. Moving toward the chin, a few whiteheads are treated the same way, softly, carefully, with a light touch that never pushes too hard against the skin. You can see the subtle satisfaction in this process. Small, controlled movements, quiet studio sounds, and skin that gradually starts looking clearer with every gentle pass. The most satisfying part begins once the pores around the nose start softening. For any area where a small pimple or slightly inflamed bump is visible, extra gentleness is used. Instead of any kind of forceful pressure, this area is left mostly undisturbed, and instead treated later with calming anti-inflammatory care. It's worth remembering that not every blemish should be extracted. Some simply need soothing, patience, and time to calm down naturally. This actually brings up something important. A lot of people believe that harsher scrubbing, more aggressive extraction, or picking at the skin will clear congestion faster. But in reality, this often does the opposite. Overly harsh treatment can damage the skin barrier, cause irritation, redness, and even lead to more breakouts over time. Gentle, consistent care is what actually helps skin feel more balanced in the long run. This is why every step in this routine, from cleansing to extraction, is done with a soft, patient hand rather than force. With extraction complete, the skin is gently wiped clean using a soft, damp cotton pad, removing any last trace of impurities. At this stage, you can already see how different the skin looks compared to the beginning. Pores around the nose appear smaller and less visible, the chin looks smoother, and the overall texture feels noticeably more. Even now it's time to calm and soothe the skin. A gentle alcohol-free toner is poured onto a cotton pad and softly pressed across the face. This step helps rebalance the skin's pH after cleansing and extraction, while also delivering a light layer of hydration. The pad glides slowly across the forehead, cheeks, and chin, leaving the skin feeling refreshed and calm. Following the toner, a soothing essence is patted gently into the skin using soft tapping motions with the fingertips. This step is all about comfort, helping the skin feel calmer, more hydrated, and less reactive after the deep cleansing process. The tapping sound is slow and rhythmic, almost meditative, adding to the relaxing atmosphere of the entire session. Thank you so much for spending this slow, relaxing moment with your skin today.